New here at 6, residents at Bay Area assisted living facilities began receiving their COVID-19 vaccinations this week, after the vaccines were opened up to everyone in the general public 65 and older. ABC Action News reporter Wendy Lane is looking into why the slow rollout in long-term care facilities is making some feel like they fell through the cracks.
The first step of us trying to get rid of it.
78-year-old Diana Leatherman took that first step after patiently waiting for her turn to get the COVID-19 vaccine.
I knew it would come one time or another.
And that time came for all 140 residents and staff at Grand Villa of Clearwater Assisted Living Facility as CVS gave them their first doses of the Pfizer vaccine today.
Instead of being nervous and anxious and counting the days, we spent our time in doing the work that we needed to do to prepare so that when the day came, we would be ready.
And they are. But Florida Assisted Living Association CEO Veronica Cato says there was frustration across the state.
Many people that live in the public just thought, okay, assisted living's taken care of.
But they weren't. Even today, the governor listing vaccine distribution priority and not mentioning assisted living.
It obviously is the nursing home mission went from the very beginning, and that's continuing. As the healthcare workers who are dealing with COVID patients in particular were getting vaccinated, we made the decision that our next goal was 65 plus.
And that is when it was the tipping point for us as an association to say, what the heck?
Cato says her staff started making calls to state and federal offices. She says what was not communicated is that Walgreens and CVS had a two-tiered system of distribution and had not yet gotten the okay to move on to the second tier, which was assisted living. Cato says there needs to be better communication in the vaccination process.
Slow down and explain this is why you're not seeing it. And this is what we're doing to fix it.
As for the Grand Villa staff and residents, they're just happy to have the vaccine.
It was worth the wait.
In Clearwater, Wendy Lane, ABC Action News.